I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the densest layer first because it supports subsequent layers. Combine frozen fruit, 1/2 cup yogurt, and 2-3 tablespoon liquid. Blend until thick but pourable. Once done, transfer to a squeeze bottle or hold a spoon against the glass to slow the pour. This preserves a clean line. Make sure the glass is chilled so the layer sets faster. This step sets texture and weight so upper layers won't sink. That's why thickness matters now. Once the bottom layer is settled, you make the middle layers with intentional density differences. Blend a creamy layer with banana and yogurt, keeping it slightly thinner than the base so it will sit but still spread. Test flow on a plate to avoid sinking. Then blend a lighter, icier mix with more liquid for the top-middle contrast. Make sure to chill each poured layer for 30–60 seconds. This brief pause gives structure and prevents mixing, so your layers stay distinct. You finish by adding the final, lightest layer and a garnish that highlights the contrast. Blend a frothy top with extra liquid and pulse to incorporate air. Pour slowly over the back of a spoon so it floats. Once done, add seeds or zest for texture and serve immediately. If layers start to merge, stop, chill the glass for a minute, and slow your pour. Thicker mixes and lower pour speed prevent sinking. This troubleshooting tip keeps your presentation intact and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.